Okay, this is how you sign into your Google account. At the top right hand side, when you open up a Google browser, it'll say sign in. I had to sign into my Google account to get the screencast to work. So I am just going to sign in with a new account. So your child's graduation year is their very first number in their email address, and then it's their first and last name. So I'm going to use Sophia's because that's the first one I came upon. So then it's your child's graduation year, their first and last name at lindberghschools.ws, and then you click next. Then their password is their first and last initial, and then their lunch pin, which you can find on SIS. The lunch pin that's connected to their lunch account. And then, so you can see that now, I move this over, you can see that this is Sophia's Lindbergh account. It's got her little S there, and of course you can change that picture to something cute or an animal or something like that. And then from there, your child can get to their account information, their Gmail, their Google Drive, and all of the things that are available to them through their school account. So that is how you get to signing in for your Google account.